Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss one more problem on page hierarchy. Now, how many page hierarchies we need, whether it is 2 page or 3 page, and how to calculate physical address and logical address space. This also we are going to calculate in this problem. Let us note down the problem statement. Problem page size is 1 MB and virtual address is equals to 64 bits. Page size table entry size. Page table entry size is equals to 4 bytes. Find number 1, how many levels of page table? How many levels of page table? Find out physical and logical address space. VA and physical address space. This is the question. In the last video, we have discussed about page table size. What is the criteria to divide one page table into a smaller page table? These fundamental requirements we discussed in the last class. Okay. Today, straight away, we will discuss the problem now. So now let us calculate number of bits in a frame number. Number of bits in a frame number. Now if you see here, page table entry size is 4 bytes. Means page table is here. Page table entry is 4 bytes. It means 32 bits. So page table entry means indirectly frame number. Okay, frame number require 32 bits. That is, it's given, indirectly understood. So number of bits in a frame number is equals to 32 bits. Okay. Next one, we'll find out number of bits in frame number. Number 2, number of bits in frame number. Now we can calculate the size of main memory. The main memory size is 2 power 32 frames. Each frame, it means main memory is having like this 2 power 32 frames. The size of the main memory is 2 power 32 frames into each frame size is, from the problem statement, each page size is 1 MB, where page size is equals to frame size is equals to 1 MB. So in this case, this is 1 MB. Then size of the physical memory is, 2 power 32 into 1 MB. 2 power 32 into 1 MB means 2 power 20 is equals to 2 power 2 into 2 power, we can say 2 power 50. 4 into 2 power 50. This 4 into 2 power 50. So that we need 52 bits. 52, we need totally, my dear friends, number of bits in physical address is 52. Total is 2 power 2, 2 power 2. So physical address, we need 52 bits. Understood? If we calculated 2 power 32 pages, into each frame is 1 MB. So when we calculated, we got 2 power 52. So 52 bits we required for physical address. Okay. Third point, now just now we calculated physical or main memory size is equals to 2 power 52 bytes. This is the size of the main memory. For this physical address, now we calculated physical address, how many bits? 52 bits we needed. Okay, up to here it's completed. Now in one frame is equals to 1 MB and page size is also 1 MB. Then how many bits needed? Number 5, let us calculate number of bits required for page size of 1 MB or frame size of 1 MB or frame size of 1 MB. So 1 MB is 2 power 20. So therefore 20 bits are required for frame and page number, page size. So this 20 bits is nothing but D. D is equals to 20. So we need 52 bits total in physical address. Physical address, how many bits we need? 52. Out of 52, 20 bits are, we know that, D. Then F is equals to 32. 32 plus 20, 52. This we calculated F. So 2 power 32. See here, see that 2 power 32, 2 power 32 frames. In each frame, 1 MB size means in each frame, to navigate in a particular frame, we need 20 bits. So this is, in this way we calculated the number of bits in main memory of physical address. Now we calculated so far F is equals to 32 bits, D is equals to 20 bits. Okay. Now we calculated about entire main memory. This main memory size we calculated. What is the size of the main memory? 2 into 52 bytes. How many bits we require? 52 bits we require. How we segregated 52 bits? F plus D. For frame 32 bits, for frame, for offset D 20. Now this part, main memory part, now we calculated. Understood? Now we will calculate secondary memory. Secondary memory, how many pages? Process needs how many pages? What is the process size? How many pages a process needs? From that, we will calculate page table. How many entries in the page table? Each entry needs how many bytes? From these information, we will get page table size. That page table size we will check whether it is fit in 1 MB frame size or not. The page table is, if it is more, then we have to divide into sub pages. Okay, sub pages, and we'll store it in another page table. That will follow. Next we have to calculate process size. Point number 6 is process size. Process size, how will calculate? Yeah, here in the problem statement it's already given virtual address. Virtual address is equals to P, P plus T. This address is 64 bits. Is given, 64 bits are given. So process size is equals to 2 power 64. 2 power 64 bytes is process size. 2 power 64 is process size, my dear friends. Now, number of pages of a process. How many pages in this process needs? Next 7 point. Number of pages in a process is equals to 2 power 64 by one page size is 1 MB. This is bytes. Is equals to 2 power 64 by 2 power 20. My dear friends, if we calculate this, my dear friends, 2 power 44. 2 power 44 is number of pages in a process is 2 power 44 pages are there. So total is 2 power 64. Process size is 2 power 64 bytes. In that number of pages 2 power 44. Okay. Now we will find out now page table size. Page table size, how we will calculate? Number of pages is 2 power 44 into each entry we required how many bytes? It's given 4 bytes. Then we will get a total page table size. Now let us see this how we will calculate. Now inner page table size. I'll rub this please. Inner page table size. Now we are calculating page table size. How to calculate the page table size? Inner page table size. Inner page table size. So how many entries are there? Just now we calculated 2 power. How many pages? A number of is equals to number of pages into page size entry. Page table entry size. So number of pages is equals to 2 power 44 into page table entry size is 4 bytes. Is equals to 2 power 44 into 2 power 2. 2 power 46 bytes, my friends. What is this 2 power 46 bytes? Definitely the 2 power 46 bytes is greater than 1 MB. Okay. So this 2 power 46 bytes size of the page table. Total pages are, number of pages are 2 power 44. Each one 4 bytes. Okay. Now what is this page table size? PT size is 2 power 46 bytes. It's obviously greater. Now this page table we need to store into the main memory. See, in one of the frame we want to store this 2 power 46 bytes of this table. We need to store it in the main memory. The main memory segment is only 1 MB. It is greater than 1 MB. Our page size or segment size is 1 MB. So this cannot be fit into 1 MB memory. So then what is the solution? Now page hierarchy we have to do. We need to divide this 2 per 46 bytes of memory, this page, very big page table into a smaller page tables. Okay. Now we'll divide this page table into, again, now we got a big page table like this. We'll divide again into number of pages. Page size is using 1 MB, we'll divide into number of pages. Then we'll get this page table will be divided into number of page table. That index will store into outer page table, and we'll calculate that outer page table size also. If the outer page table size is greater than 1 MB, again outer page table 1 has to be divided into pages. That index has to be stored in page table 2. Then again we need to calculate page table 2 size. If the page table 2 size is less than 1 MB, then it is 2-level paging will stop from that point onwards. Because if less than 1 MB page table size, we can store that in 1 MB space in a particular frame. Understood? Now we'll calculate. Now we calculated inner page table size is 2 power 46 bytes. It is greater than 1 MB. 1 MB, it's greater than 1 MB. Now we need to divide this big page table into as a pages. Now we'll see that how we have to do it. Now my dear friends, number of pages of inner page table. Number of pages of inner page table. So we have seen that inner page table size is very big, 2 power 46 bytes. That will divide with 2 power 46 bytes by, what is the page size? Page size is 1 MB. If we divide with this, we'll get by difference 2 power 46 by 2 power 20 is equals to 2 power 26 bytes, 2 power 26 pages. Okay, 2 power 26 pages. Now I'll explain once again what is this 2 power 46. This 2 power 46 is page table size, total page table size. The size of the page table, this memory required for this page table is 2 power 46 bytes. In this entire page table has to be divided with a single page size. If you divide with a single page size, we'll get number of pages. Okay, that's what we did here. Why we need to divide with 1 MB? 1 MB is the size of a single page size is 1 MB. This is total size. Total size is 2 power 46 MB. So 2 power 46 bytes. If you divide with 1 MB, then we'll get how many number of such pages are available. So by doing so, we got 2 power 26 pages. Now these 2 power 26 pages, my dear friends, these 26 pages, 2 power 26 pages, these 2 power 26 pages shows that 26 bits we need to go to any one of the page. This is page size, okay, 2 power 46 bytes page size. We need 26 bits to go to any one of the particular page. Are you getting? So this 26 will store it in outer page table. Understood? 26 will store it in outer page table. Why 26 we are storing outside? In our other outer page table, outer page table 1 will store these 26 bits because these 26 bits represents this entire memory 2 per 46 bytes, because it is divided into 1 MB. Each is 1 MB. To reach one of the location we need 26 bits. After reaching here, how many bits we need for 1 MB means? Now we need to find out the offset. Okay, now we'll find out the offset after reaching the inner tail. Okay, my dear friends. Let us see. Now we found right now, just now, number of pages of inner page table is 2 for 26 pages. Okay. Now, number of page table entries. Number of, next calculation is number of page table entries in one page. In one page. Okay. In one page of inner page table. This is equals to 1 MB. What is the page size? 1 MB by each one represented with 4 bytes. 4 bytes. It is 2 power 20 by 2 power 2 bytes. So if this gives, my dear friends, 2 power 18 bytes. See, my dear friends, please follow clearly. The how many pages? 2 power, how many pages? Number of 2 power 26 pages. Okay. In one page, we need 18 bits. So 26 is we need to go to any one of the page. To navigate in a one particular page, we need 18 bits. Understood? Why we got it this? If you observe this, why we divided with 4 bytes? I told you in the last video. Suppose this is the first location. Suppose 0, 0, 0 represents, size is 4 bytes. This is represents 4 bytes. 0, 0, 0, 1 represents 4 bytes. That is why 2 power 20 is the size of one page table. Since each location represents 4 bytes, if we divide with this 2 power 4 bytes, we'll get how many bits we require to navigate in a particular page table. That is 2 power 18. This will be stored in outer page table like this, 2 power 6, 26, 18. If you see, this 26 is what? 2 power 26 pages of inner page table. Inner pages. 2 power 26 inner pages we are storing in outer page. Now we will calculate. Now this will be stored in outer table. Now outer table entries 2 power 26. This 2 power 26 are outer table entries. These entries pointing towards inner table. So now we'll find out outer page table size. Okay. Now we'll find out outer page table size. we can find out outer page table size is like this. Inner page table 2 power 26. 2 power 26 entries are stored in outer page table 1. Outer page table. Now what OT1 we are calculating. And this size is 2 power 26 entries are there in outer page table, and each entry stores 4 bytes. Here we already given 4 bytes. If you calculate this, 2 power 28 bytes is the outer page table size. 2 power 28 means 2 power 8 into 2 power 20. 256 into 256 MB is the size of outer table. Outer table 1 is 256 MB. My dear friends, even inner page table is so big, and we created outer page table 1. Even the after finding the outer page table size, we got 256 MB size. Even this greater than 1 MB. This is 1 MB, page size is 1 MB. This cannot be fit in 1 MB memory. Then again, outer page table 1 has to be divided into number of pages. That index of outer page table 1 will store it into outer page table 2. Okay, now we'll proceed further. So this is very big. So we need to divide it once again this page table into the secondary page table. Okay. Now number of pages will divide into number of pages. Number of pages of OT1, outer table 1 is, this is the size we calculated, 256 MB by page table, page size is 1 MB. Then 2 power 8 into 2 power 20 by 2 power 20 is equals to 256 bytes, 256 pages. 256 pages we got. Now these 256 pages, listen carefully, 0 page, 1 page, 255. These 256 pages, each page how much? 1 MB. Each page size is 1 MB. Okay. This 256 MB is greater than 1 MB. Then we'll divide this 256 MB into number of pages. That we got 256 pages like this, 0 to 255. Each page size is 1 MB. Now 0 to 255 means 256 pages are stored in the memory in a different locations. Okay. Now let us see. Now we calculated right now is a number of pages in PT1 is number of pages. Okay. Now we'll go further. How many bits we require? Number of page table entries. Now we'll calculate the number of page table entries in one page of outer page table 1. In one page of outer page table. You see, one page size is 1 MB. Like this, how many are there? 0 to 255 pages are there. Pen is not writing. 1 minute. Like this. For one page to navigate, this is 1 MB by 4 bytes. If we divide 2 power 20 by 2 power 2, 2 power 8, 18 bits to you require. My dear friends, 18 bits are required to navigate in a single page. This is 18 bits. You need 8 bits are required to go to 0 to 255 pages. Okay. Now, page table 2 size calculation. Now, this 0 to 255 means total how many bits we need? 8 bits we need. This will store into page table 2. Okay, that page table 2 0 to 8 bits refer to page table 1. Now we'll calculate page table 2 size. Now, outer page table 2 size. Outer page table 2 size. Outer page table 2 size is equals to how many inner page table entries? 256 into 4 bytes each entry. It equal 2 power 8 into 2 power 2. This is 2 power 10 bytes is equals to 1 KB. Now this is outer page table 2 we calculated. Outer page table 2. This 1 KB is less than 1 MB. 1 KB is less than 1 MB. 1 MB is the page size. So, this page table PT2 can be fit into 1 MB memory. My dear friends, with this page table 2 is sufficient to store it in any one of the segment. Now, outer page table 2 contains how many entries? Only 8 entries. Outer OPT, outer page, outer 2 needs only 8 entries, because outer page table 2 stores 256 0 to 255. To store this we need only 8. 0 to 255 of page table 1 entries. Page table 1 entries are stored in outer page table 2. We need only 8. Now let us see pictorially. We'll represent this diagram. We'll conclude this class and we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.